we've already seen land, soil and water. And now we move to the natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation and wildlife, that is the trees, plants around us and all the animals, or the other words that I can use is the flora and the fauna which is there around us. Now you have to remember that the natural vegetation and wildlife, or the life as such, exists in a place which is called as biosphere. And this biosphere is in fact a narrow zone, that is the contact of the narrow zone between the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, and this is termed as biosphere. Bio, living, sphere, the place. So the place where human beings live, dwell, exist is called as biosphere. So what is it? It's a narrow zone or a small contact which is there between the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, termed as biosphere. Now we have to remember that the existence of the animals and the plants which is there in the biosphere is interrelated and interdependent. That is, they depend on each other and they are related to each other. If there is a harm to one, then definitely the harm can be seen on the other. And this interdependence and interrelated that they are is termed as the ecosystem. If I pick up first of all the plants, as I said, it's the flora and the fauna. So if I pick up the plants first, then there are n number of usage of the plants which we can mention. The plants give us the much required timber, they provide shelter to the wild animals, they give us oxygen, that is the very existence of human beings, they protect the soil, that is soil erosion, and they act as shelter belts when in rows of trees are planted, and they give us fruits, nuts, latex, paper, medicines, herbs. There are n number of things which come from plants. Everything that we eat, in fact, everything that we wear, the very existence of us on life comes from the dear plants.